This is Marco from eProgrammer.com. I'm going to talk about the basic operation of MATLAB and matrix and vector. This part is called command window. This part is for the current folder. This part called workspace. The workspace is what variable you save in there. This part is called command history. So what you type in the command, it will save in the history. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. It's very basic. Now let's see the workspace. A and S is equal to 3. Now 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The workspace, the A and S has been updated to 7. CLC is trying to clean up the command window. It only cleans up the command window. It does not clean up the workspace. Clear will clear everything in workspace. Five divided by 7 is 0.7143. A is equal to 1, and it will show the result A equal to 1. Now if A equal to 1 with a semicolon, it doesn't show the result. B equal to 2, it will show the result. B equal to 2 semicolon, it doesn't show the result. A divided by B is equal to 0.5. C equal to A, okay, let's clear that first. C equal to A divided by B. C equal to 0.5. C equal to A divided by B, semicolon. And it doesn't show the result. It will save in the workspace. C is still equal to 0.5. DISP displays C. C is equal to 0.5. Now let's talk about some vectors. A equal to the square bracket 1, 2, 3. Now that is a vector. B equal to 3, 4, 5. Okay, that apostrophe. This will become a column vector. So A is a row vector. B is a column vector. Now C. Five, 6, 7. Okay, 5, 6, 7 is a row vector. D equal to 7, semicolon, 8, semicolon, 9. Then it will become a column vector. Q is equal to 1, 2, 3, semicolon, 4, 5, 6. Now it will become 2 rows. T is equal to 4, 5, semicolon, 6, 7, semicolon, 8, 9. Then that will become 3 rows, 2 columns. Now let's find the size of Q. It's 2 rows, 3 columns. Let's find the size of T. It is 3 rows and 2 columns. If Q we know Q and T is this. Q times T is become a 2 by 2 matrix. And T times Q become a 3 by 3 matrix.
If your research or engineering projects are falling behind, eeprogrammer.com can help you get them back on track without exploding your budget. Let us know what you need. You'll find relief here. Visit eeprogrammer.com. We can help you.